Racing just is started. We have touch of class break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside, My Ray, Lord of the Sun. Then Dance Rose in the middle portion. Gintong Gantimpala para sa amin. Sugar Free. Flying Hope comes next. Then comes Dugus Fright. Next online now Storm Trooper. Then followed over by Gold Asian. While San Francisco is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have touch of class by about 2 lengths. And in second is Lord of the Sun. And then in third is then Dance Rose, My Ray. Moving up on the outside, Sugar Free. And on the outside comes Gintong Gantimpala. Para sa amin is down in seventh. Gold Asian comes next. Storm Trooper. Then next online is Flying Hope. Dugus Sprite, and a long way back to San Francisco, who's still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to the Dance Rose. Viola nose down on the inside. Lord of the Sun coming closer now in third. Gintong Gantimpala, Sugar Free, My Race on the outside. Gold Asian is down on the inside. With about 150 meters more to run. We have Lord of the Sun moving up now on the outside is Sugar Free. In the middle portion is Dance Rose. Is now Sugar Free. And finally Sugar Free. Gold Asian. Then comes number 12, Lord of the Sun. Then Dance Rose, My Ray, and Gintong Gantimpala for your Super 6.